This is my print kit. I use Makerbot's examples for the shells and infill. These are my supports and rafts. This little house, doghouse style I made, still has the rafts attached and the supports as an example. And I also used an antenna on the little house in a Y shape as an example of supports. This is the example made with no supports. And the example I made laying the house down on the build plate so that it didn't need a raft and didn't need supports on the roof of the house, but it did affect then the angle on the antenna, the Y shape. And I used the bridges and angles that was there online. For the resolution, the low, standard, and high, I did a simple triangle because it would have a lot of surfaces. The difference doesn't, I've labeled them on the bottom, the differences don't show up too much, so I might redo that one.